razor.
Looks like, so this is a vase. Banana Man and this kid.
Jimmy Jones!
I'm gonna race around the block, and whoever wins, well, wins.
So they're just gonna like be weirdos, and then we're gonna come back.
We're gonna record them. I'm gonna run around until these guys wait.
Okay, bye.
So 3, 2, 1, go! Fudge! Focus. 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 As you can see, Banana Man is taking the lead. Jimmy Neutron! Jimmy Neutron not too far behind. Can't keep up. So I'll go and give you an update on who won. Right now, just waiting. Be super careful, because whoever wins, I will give. I'm gonna fight in the face. No, I'm gonna pretend fight. I'm gonna go. Okay, get ready. Right in the face. You're almost back. So, let's go and wait. So, they're going around the block. Go almost here. And as a present I'm gonna give them, I'm gonna say I have a prize for the winner. I'm gonna go and act like a farted in the face.
You and him are only gonna be the only ones seeing the razor.
Anyways, so what I'm gonna do for the winner is go like this and act like a farted in their face. Let's see what their reaction is to that. They're almost here. Here they are. So Banana Man is taking the lead.
I think his died.
Okay. Since you're the winner, I have a little prize for you. But we gotta wait for Jimmy Neutron to come.
Wait, yours is almost dead? Yeah.
Anyways, while we're waiting, I better give him the present real quick. Okay, so since you won, I actually have a present for you, Banana Man. Ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude!